Good morning, friends and fellow traders. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options, coming to you with the morning preparation video for April 5th, 2018. So, guys, I have a major internet problem going on here. For some reason, the system is down and I am limping off of tethered to my cell phone here. So I'm going to make this video very short this morning. Massive short squeeze yesterday. We've got everything starting to look pretty decent here, bouncing right off that 200-day moving average. All four of the major indexes putting in bullish engulfing candles. Keep in mind, we have a significant amount of resistance above. Also keep in mind that 50-day moving average is diving lower. So we're going to have a resistance area in here that the market will have to work pretty hard to get through. Also keep in mind, we are underneath a downtrend in the market. So we've got work to do, but this is a beautiful start to a potential bottom in the market. Lots of really good charts were produced yesterday, lots of good buy signals, but you're going to have to be very choosy about those and weigh that against the potential political risk that's still out there. We're far from done with this negotiation, shall we call it, with China and the trade war conversation out there. So keep that in mind. Weigh that risk carefully against your tolerance if you're planning to jump into the market. Okay, be a little bit cautious. Also realize that Friday we have on the economic calendar, we have the employment situation report coming out, and it's fairly typical for the market to kind of languish around a little bit and wait as we head in toward that report. So after such a big move yesterday, don't be surprised to see a little bit of rest or even a little bit of profit taking come into the market as we wait for that report. On today's economic calendar, we have international trade and jobless claims. These are the only two major market moving reports this morning. Both of those are expected to come in pretty nicely. We have a Fed speaker at 1 o'clock, and then just a bunch of, bond announcements and things going on today. So a full calendar, but not much there that's really going to move the market. On the earnings front, we don't have that many companies reporting today. A real quick check here. It's changed a little bit since I looked before, but not a lot of companies out there reporting. So just kind of keep an eye on that. We're still kind of finishing up some of the quarterly reports for the end of the year. Nothing major out there in the market for reports, but there is reason to always pay attention to that. Currently, if we take a quick look at the VIX is threatening a breakdown of the 50-day moving average. That would be a wonderful thing to see the volatility shed some points here and get us back down in a more comfortable trading range, particularly for option traders, and start bringing those option prices back where we like to see them. Right now, as I do this video, we're looking at about 50-60 point gap up this morning, and that would be a nice follow through for the day. But again, keep in mind, it wouldn't be a big surprise to see a little bit of rest or a little bit of pullback after that morning pop. Okay, so keep that in mind. Hey everybody, if this is the first time you've seen this information, please feel free to share this video with anyone. Do me a favor and click that subscribe button and the follow me button on Facebook. I really appreciate it. Click those thumbs ups buttons and drop me a comment. I apologize for the shortness of this video today, but because of this internet challenge that I'm having this morning, we'll probably have a much bigger video tomorrow. Everyone, take care. Have an awesome day. I wish you great profits. Talk to you all very soon.